Now fill your mason jar 3/4 of the way full with warm water. Once you have your mason jar 3/4 of the way full, you can come over to the table and while you're going to dump in half a bottle of clear Elmer's glue. Now take something like a knife to stir the water and glue together. Now choose 3 or 4 colors of glitter. In this example, Kelsey chose blue, silver, and white. This part is optional, but if you would like, you can add glycerin so that the glitter falls slower than it would without. Now hot glue around the rim of the jar and then screw the lid on tightly.